Well, for over 40 years, 9 News has put your health first through the efforts of 9 Health. Well, we're excited to announce that 9 Health is now 365 Health. And to share more about the fresh start for this legacy organization is Director Gary Drews. Gary, it's good to have you here.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Well, there's a new name. This is exciting. It's 365 Health. What does that mean for our viewers?
Well, for over 40 years, we've been running health fairs as 9 Health Fair around the state.
Yes.
And we've screened over 2 million people so far through that mechanism. But what we realized is preventive health can happen every day, just like your health is happening every moment of the day.
Right.
And so our notion was, hey, let's provide preventive health to everybody that needs it and wants it year-round.
I love that. And you're absolutely right. Health isn't something that we just do sometimes. It's every single day, and it affects us in every single way. Okay, what are you most excited about with this new launch?
So the big change, the biggest change, is that we, in addition to providing screenings now through health fairs and through going to a Quest Diagnostics Patient Service Center, is that we can also provide a year's worth of telehealth. Text-based telehealth for under $100, unlimited within 60 seconds. You wake up at night, your kid has a fever, your choices may be the emergency room or do nothing. And now you have another choice that says text a doctor within a minute and they can help you out.
Okay, I just really want to emphasize on the telehealth thing because I have the 2 kids and I've called telehealth at all crazy hours, and I've called them from Vegas, from one time we were in New York City, and it is the best thing. And now with the text, we all want convenience, so that right there is huge. Okay, say I already have insurance, how does 365 Health still help me?
So this does not involve any insurance. It's a single payment of under $100, $99
Nice.
for a year, for a full year. And once you have that, you can use it as much as you want, anytime, day or night. And the big change there, obviously, is that you can follow up on something or ask a question before you have an incident, whether it's an accident or a fever or whatever's going on. So if you're curious about whether you have COVID or how to prevent COVID, even more importantly, or how to prevent low vitamin D or high vitamin D in a state like Colorado, you can talk to a doctor immediately and find out.
That's awesome. Okay, I know that a big part of your legacy were the health fairs, and people may be wondering, oh no, are those going to go away? Are they going to continue? What's the deal here?
So I was just looking at the list of health fairs we have almost 30 health fairs starting in 2 weeks.
Oh my.
And you can go to our website, 365.org. We are a nonprofit, and the health fairs are scheduled most everywhere around the state, everywhere from Walsenburg to Lake City to up north and Fort Collins and Aurora, Denver, of course.
Yes.
The mountains. We're all over the place.
You are all over the place, which is great. Okay, with the new launch always comes new plans, goals. Would you like to share the goals in mind for 365 Health?
Wow, that's a big question. There's so many.
I'm sure.
Well, there's the biggest goal, I think, for most immediately is that during the pandemic, many of us have stopped going to the doctor. We simply have avoided going because of either cost or fear or what have you. And so as a result, my biggest goal is to help the folks that have avoided getting care, get care. It saves you money, it saves you heartache, it's good for your family ultimately.
Yeah.
And so that's the biggest reason. But there's 1 million people in Colorado that do not have access to a doctor. 1 million of us.
Wow.
And so my big goal is just to make this available to anybody that needs it and wants it.
That's a big number when you really think about it. Oh,
it's a huge number.
Huge number, and I'm so happy that you guys are here to offer some sort of help. And 365, that says a lot. It stands for something. Well, what is the best way our viewers can take advantage of all the great work you guys do all around the state?
The easiest way is just to go to our website, 365health.org. Right there, you can find the listings of the health fairs. You can sign up for the telehealth. Other services we provide include vaccine clinics and flu shots coming up at the health fairs. They're free. Just sign up online and go.
And obviously we're moving more towards the fall. I'm excited, but I also know that this is when the kids start to get sick. We all kind of start to get sick. Is this a good time to sign up and definitely take advantage of everything you guys are doing?
Well, I think so. I mean,
Yeah.
the services we have now are both related to prevention, of course, like a flu shot helps prevent the flu anyway, the COVID vaccines. But as obviously flus come along and you spike a fever in the middle of the night, what are
Oh,
you going to
boy.
do?
Exactly.
You can get prescriptions as you may need and get confidence that you're dealing with the right place to go. Maybe most importantly, talking to a doctor to find out, do I really need to go to an ER or an urgent care, or wait a month for my doctor's appointment? This is an immediate problem solution.
It really is. Gary, thank you so much for coming in this morning. I want to give everyone some info. Check out the brand new 365 Health and take proactive steps toward living a healthier life. Visit their website right now and see what services can help you. It's 365health.org.